So my next step now is to take my flag. While she stands there, I'm going to edge this out. I'm going to tell her, see how she watches it with that ear? She ain't sure. Easy. Easy. Sorry guys, sorry. I missed that. Easy girl. Good girl. See them smell it? Which is good. Let them smell it so they know it's touching them. It's good desensitizing. Remember, this is not a whip or switch or any kind of tool to discipline them. This is an extension of you. So, whenever you use it, remember it's as if your hand is on her. It's you quieting her down, getting her used to your touch, getting her used to you going away, and then back again at her side. See, there's a flinch in her flank, but we just keep doing this. See how we eased up there to begin with? And she's going to watch it. She's going to watch it, and it's going to come back to her. We're just going to do this. We're going to work words. She's the quietest. We're going to step in. Remember, from a distance, they're like us. They're iffy. Why are you keeping your distance? Why? This way, we're up close and personal. She feels more secure. She trusts me more because I'm by her side, because she can see me physically, she can hear me in a gentle voice, and she can feel the connection where there's no fear, there's nothing to fear. So I'm rubbing her. So I'm showing her all the affection I can with my stick and my cut up rag I put on her. So we'll continue to do this and work down. Whoa, got tangled in her tail. Nobody probably likes their hair pulled on. Work to her feet. Ho. And see where she gets tender? Back off to where she's not tender. Let her know it's okay. She's looking at me. She's looking to make sure I'm not doing nothing I shouldn't do. Oh, baby. And all I'm doing is, boom. See, I don't got to go all the way to the foot since I know she's iffy about it. So we're just going to go where she trusts me for now. And we're going to go a little further. We're going to go back to where she trusts me. And we're going to go a little further. Back to where she trusts me. And then a little further. Back to where she trusts me. Good girl. Just like you're rubbing her. Good girl. Back to where she trusts me. And off to the foot. You see how that works with patience, persistence, and a gentle hand? Good touch, soft voice. And physically, you gotta let her know it's okay, which is being right up close. Patting her. Boom. And that's what I wanted. So now I'm gonna come back up. And we're gonna go back to what we was doing. Going away, where she's gonna watch it. She's gonna watch it. And we're going back to her channel. Every time she's caught. Every time you touch her, every time you approach her, she's caught a new time. So it teaches her to hold, it teaches her to be gentle, to trust you. And I'll continue, and I'll do the same thing with this front leg. See how she is up here? She's pretty good. She's keeping an ear on things. That's like their eyes is their ears. Their senses are very good. So we went there. Now we're going to go down to her leg. Easy. And she's iffy about that. I'm going to back off. I'm going to go back to where she trusts it. And I'm going to go back to her leg. And I'm going to go back to where she trusts me. Give it some time up there so she quiets down, so her ears ain't so pinned. So they relax. There we go. They're flexing a little bit. She's relaxing, her head slowly going down. Her body language, her breathing, saying she's getting used to it. So we're going to go back to where it got her breathing a little up there. And she's a good horse. She's a smart horse. She pays attention to a lot. See what? She's going to pay attention to me. I'm not even holding her while I'm doing this. She thinks I got her caught, but I don't. So, which is good. Okay, so now we've touched everywhere on this side, and we're going to do the same thing on the opposite side. What you do on one side, do on the other. Like when you chip, when you rub, anything you do on one side, do to the other. Because horses are like two-spirited. One side they might be dog gentle, the next not so much. So always approach each side like it's new. And yeah, so I'm going to continue. I'm going to do the other side, and we'll be on to the next one. As you can see, she don't mind either side. And I always go like this to simulate my leg going over. So, you know, get creative with how you swing your flag. Just be easy with it. Take your time. Ease into the more scary obstacles. Another thing is, I don't stand directly in front of her. This way she can't run me over, paw me, strike me, do nothing. I'm always at a safe place. And then the closer I am to her shoulder, she can't hurt me, she can't kick me, she's not a cow. Won't cow kick me, can't paw me. She might try, but pretty safe at the side. So just a little tip.